Hey everyone, this is Gayatri from Gayatri's World Kitchen. Thank you for joining me. I'm on a mission to help you eat healthy in a hurry, in a cost-efficient manner. So let's start today with garlic peeler and slicer. Who doesn't love garlic? It's great for pasta, it's great on pizzas, it's great in everything. But with garlic, I hate to get that garlic oil on my hands because it smells forever and the garlic loses the flavor. So we have a perfect solution for you. The Pampered Chef garlic peeler and slicer. So let's get to it. I have some cloves of garlic here. I'm just gonna take a clove of garlic, put it in here, and I'm just gonna roll. Guess what? The peel's in here, the garlic's freshly peeled. And I'm going to put it right in here, the garlic slicer, and look at this. I am getting razor fine slices of garlic that are perfect for a pasta sauce, pizza, roasting, perfect with chicken and anything else that you want to flavor with garlic. And that's it. This garlic slicer is also really good for slicing thin slices of chocolate, nuts, and other little things that you want. And that's it for the garlic peeler and slicer. I gotta tell you, it's my husband's favorite Pampered Chef tool, and it gets used in our kitchen every single day. Thank you.